Hello there. I'm going to show you how to stop the microphone auto-adjusting volume on your Windows 11 computer. There are a couple of different methods here, but the first method is open up the search and type in sound setting. With this window now open, scroll down until you see more sound settings and click that. With this window now open, navigate to the recording tab, and here I would suggest clicking default on your main microphone. So for me, this is actually my Shure microphone, so I'll set that as default. And at the same time, you can also disable any microphone that you do not wish to use. Now, what we need to do is click on the microphone and then click properties, navigate to the advanced tab, and then under exclusive mode, you want to turn off allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority. So just untick those and then click apply. Once you've done that, head over to the communications tab on the right. And then when it says when Windows detects communication activity, what you need to do is select the do nothing option and then click apply. If you're a gamer or primarily a Steam gamer, there's a fix for you as well. If we open up Steam, in the top left, click Steam and then click setting. From here, scroll all the way down until you see voice. And then with the voice tab open, scroll down again, click advanced options and then disable automatic volume gain control. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.